The race is on all across North St. Louis to help tornado survivors who are still, of course, dealing with home damage.
All you have to do is drive in that area and you can see it. With heavy winds and cold temperatures in the forecast, the urgency is mounting now. In many cases, these homes just aren't safe to live in, but many homeowners are afraid to leave or simply have nowhere else to go. Navy veteran Bill Atkins, who got injured during the May 16th tornado, now faces another frustration, being unable to return home due to critical repairs still needed that weren't covered by insurance or FEMA.
We need to get back in our home, and we can't.
A lot of our neighbors, we don't even know where they are because they've been displaced. Some are attempting to stay in their homes simply because if they leave, all their possessions might walk out behind them.
The Rebuild Academy effort is now teaming up with Catholic Charities to keep the goodwill flowing ahead of this bitter cold. You can learn more about this effort in the As Seen on TV section of KSDK.com.